I've been involved with all aspects of XRF for a long time now, nearly 30 years. If you asked me just a little while ago if I thought it was possible to achieve the level that we've achieved, performance-wise, with the Thermo Scientific Niton XL5 analyzer, I would have doubted you. This analyzer is capable of quantifying 30 elements simultaneously. Most analysis is performed within 2 seconds. You have the performance of a laboratory-grade, large EDXRF spectrometer in the palm of your hand. It has a new user interface, very intuitive, very easy to operate. Not only is there a micro camera in the nose of the analyzer to allow you to pinpoint a specific analysis location on the sample, though it also has a macro camera on the backside of the screen that allows you to capture the sample image. On board within the analyzer is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. It also has a hot swappable battery, and a battery that can be charged via a UPS trickle charge, or even a 12-volt DC source. The Niton XL5 incorporates an internal system check standard. You're not required to have a separate sample in order to perform the calibration check. The standard is automatically rotated in front of the X-ray tube detector arrangement. In regards to the significant performance increase that this analyzer provides, a lot of that is due to the tighter geometry. And by that I mean the distance from the X-ray tube to the sample to the detector has been significantly shortened. The energy of X-rays change exponentially with distance, and the closer you can get those components to the sample, the better performance you get. It is the smallest package available on the marketplace as well, and that becomes a real advantage in a scrap setting, as an example, where they're sorting a lot of samples, performing a lot of analysis. And operator fatigue can be an issue. With a light package and a package that can perform the analysis in less than 2 seconds, that increases productivity. In the case of a refinery or a power plant or a chemical plant or general fabrication, the ability to get onto more samples or more areas within a sample also increases productivity. It's not unusual to find within a petrochemical setting ports like this. These are non-destructive testing sample ports, and they exist throughout the plant. We now have the ability, unlike in the past, to actually enter into that port to perform the analysis on the piece of pipe that resides on the backside. Unlike in the past, where handheld XRF has been, for the most part, a metals analyzer, the Niton XL5 is the first analyzer that bridges that gap from an analyzer to a full-blown, versatile, and powerful spectrometer. The XL5 possesses that capability, and that is a significant advantage.